Want to add custom sounds on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add custom music to Instagram Reels. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Reel. Now select any picture or video you want to share. Tap on the music icon at the top. Scroll to the right. Tap on Import. Now make sure you have a video in your gallery with the audio that you want to add. You can either record it or simply download a TikTok like I did. Now tap on the desired video with the audio. Select which part of the song that you want to add by sliding. Then tap on Done at the top right after you're satisfied. And that is how to add custom music to Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.